Is your audio out of sync with your video in OBS? Yeah, that delay can make recordings look really unprofessional. The good news is this is usually easy to fix. Let's go step by step and get everything perfectly synced again. First, open OBS and go to Advanced Audio Properties. Sometimes the sync issue comes from incorrect monitoring settings. Make sure your main microphone is set to monitor off unless you specifically need monitoring. Next, this is the most effective fix. In Advanced Audio Properties, find Sync Offset. If your audio is late, add a small positive delay. If audio is early, reduce the value. Start with about 100 milliseconds, test a recording, and adjust until it lines up perfectly. Now check your sample rates. Mismatched audio sample rates between OBS and your microphone can cause drifting over time. In OBS audio settings, set the sample rate to 48 kilohertz. Then make sure your microphone in Windows uses the same value. If the delay is still there, open your Windows sound device properties and disable any audio enhancements or effects. These can introduce processing delay. High system load can also cause sync problems. Close unnecessary background apps, especially browsers or recording tools using CPU or GPU. Finally, record a short test clip. Clap once on camera and check if the sound matches the motion. Adjust the sync offset again if needed, and that's how to fix OBS audio not syncing with video. Once everything is aligned, your recordings will look much more professional. Thanks for watching and happy recording.